far it looks good.
Okay.
And it's not even styled.
So this is all the hair that was chopped. Wow, and there's, whoa, my goodness.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to our channel. I'm Christina, and we have Ant right here. And today's a very special day. I'm gonna be getting a surprise mommy makeover. And now that we have 2 kids, I haven't really been able to take care of myself or to do anything for me. Our friend Doreen reached out to me to see if I wanted to get a mommy makeover. And honestly, I was a little hesitant at first because I didn't know what to expect. But you know, I'm always taking care of the kids and the family, and I decided, you know, why not take care of myself? You know, change is good, and I just want to be able to look good and feel good about myself. We have our friends here who are going to be helping me with my hair. It's been really long. I haven't done anything to it in over a year. And you guys saw I tried to cut my own bangs in one of our other videos, and it didn't turn out as good. So this is gonna be a nice change for me. We have one person who's gonna be cutting and styling my hair, and we have another person who's gonna be doing my makeup, and she's also gonna be showing me some tips as to how to get ready a lot faster but still looking good. Out how long or how short.
Actually, you know what? Let's just chop it.
Oh, you need a video of it chopping?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Let's just cut it off.
You're gonna want to get that ant in the back. I didn't even have to explain that. You guys heard that, right? They're gonna chop it.
Alright.
We have our friends here. I didn't get a chance to introduce them, but we have Norma here. We have Norma here. Yeah, she's gonna be surprising me with a haircut.
So I'm under Reborn by Norma _MUA. Now we're just gonna cut all the excess length because we don't need it. So it'll just be easier for me to go in and actually cut her hair.
She's cutting all the blonde.
There we go. And this is just like a little bit. We're gonna end up cutting it. Here we go.
Whoa. How do you feel?
Nervous. I haven't had my hair cut short in a long time.
When was the last time it was this short?
When I was a little girl. And I remember when they cut it, they gave me like these short bangs all the way across my forehead too. So it kind of looked like a bowl cut. And ever since then, I've been kind of traumatized. So yeah, my nose is sweating because I'm really nervous.
So I've already cut a good amount. So I want you to feel it and let me know if you want to go any shorter or you're good with that.
Feels really short. I think I'm gonna keep it at this length for now. I think this is what I'm comfortable with.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
So at the same time Christina's getting her hair cut, there's a bunch of stuff going on. I'm a guy, so I don't know what's going on right now, but I'm helping Christina capture this. What's going on her face?
So we put on a little skincare, a little prep, because we got to take care of that pretty canvas underneath. And then right now I'm adding a little bit of eyeshadow primer so that we can fill in her brows and frame these pretty eyes and add a little shadow. But as I'm doing it, I will walk her through what we use and how we used it.
So this is Christina's friend who's actually helping her do her makeup, and she has no idea how she's gonna look after this. It's total like blind makeover going on. Do you have an Instagram too?
I do. It's at Winona, WENONAH.
There you go, guys. So there's all this makeup that she brought for Christina, and that's what she's gonna help her with. Christina is getting pampered to the max right now. Like, you already look so happy.
This feels nice.
Right?
Wow.
Are you getting jealous?
It's pretty short. It's
It's pretty.
Oh my god.
So this is all the hair that was chopped. Wow, and there's, whoa, my goodness.
So we've added a light layer of complexion to just kind of give us that fresh, healthy look. Right now I'm adding a little powder to the hot spots. Hot spots we consider the areas that we create oil naturally, so through our T-zone here, and that's more just to set it. Goes here, and then your blush is applied here, and then we'll create like a beautiful J-Lo glow along this area.
Wait, are you telling me that my wife can look like J-Lo?
She's gonna be way cuter than J-Lo. You hear that? So this liner is called Pinky Swear. Anytime you use something more flesh toned, more pinky, more white on the inside waterline, it'll immediately make the eye look a little like brighter and doe eyes.
You can kiss, you can eat, you could do some other stuff, and it won't come on.
You look very beautiful and very done up. And no, it looks nice.
Have you ever seen me look like this before?
I don't even know if it's done yet. Like, is there still more stuff going on? I can't wait for your reactions, to be honest. I think her reactions when she sees how much hair she's lost and how she looks, like, it's gonna be amazing. So it's something that Christina's been waiting for this entire time. It's been probably a couple of hours since we've been doing this so far.
All right, so they're all done with everything. My hair is done, my makeup's done, and now they just told me to complete the look with wearing a nice outfit. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna get to see the reveal. I'm really excited.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god. Wow, I love it, you guys. This is so... Wow, I look like a different person. This is the shortest I've ever had my hair before. But I trusted you with this too. I do look like you, Doreen. It's like looking, look at this real quick. I'm looking at Doreen and we're talking to Doreen. Oh my god. You guys enjoyed this as much as I did. I feel like I've learned so much about it. All right, so I want to give a special shout out to the ladies who took care of me. Norma for taking care of my hair. I really love it. Like, I was so nervous to go this short, but I actually, I'm really enjoying how it feels. And she also made this lip stain too, so it feels really good right now. And to Winona, who did my makeup, she taught me a lot of skincare tips. She showed me how to contour, highlight, things that I didn't really know how to do. So yeah, make sure you guys check out their Instagram pages for some inspiration. We'll include the links in the description box below. But yeah, if you're considering a mommy makeover or any kind of makeover, you guys should do it. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video, and take care.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say I love you.
I love you.
All I want to is to